Fence mending, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, fence mending. This isn't just about repairing physical fences, it's a rich metaphor used in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, fence mending, originates from the literal task of repairing a fence. Fences are built to mark boundaries, protect properties, or keep animals within an area. When they are damaged, they need to be mended or fixed. This physical action lays the foundation for the metaphorical meaning. In a broader sense, fence mending is often used metaphorically to describe the process of repairing or improving relationships, especially after a disagreement or misunderstanding. Just like mending a broken fence to restore its function, this phrase symbolizes the effort to heal rifts or resolve issues between people. You might hear fence mending in various contexts. In personal relationships, they are fence mending after their argument last week. In politics, the diplomat's visit was seen as an act of fence mending between the two countries. In business, the company is fence mending with its customers after the product recall. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a heated debate, Tom and Jerry spent the next day fence mending, apologizing and discussing their differences calmly. 2. The CEO's efforts in fence mending helped regain the trust of the stakeholders after the financial mishap. Fence mending is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of reconciliation and problem-solving in human relationships. Whether it's a minor disagreement or a major diplomatic issue, the act of fence mending is about building bridges and restoring harmony. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.